Ladies and gents, people of YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, it's been a couple weeks. Took a little summer sabbatical, well, however they say it. Spent some time in Hawaii, super awesome, but back to business. Got a shop full of projects and some exciting, well, hopefully exciting news. Got a new guy starting today. So he's going to be helping us out because I am just a little bit swamped. Met him a few weeks ago. Seems like a super cool dude. He was riding a very nice motorcycle. So for me, that's kind of a rolling resume. If you're cruising around on a really bitchin' vintage bike as your personal bike, then it tells me a little something. So he's on his way over, and we're going to dig in to Bultaco stuff today. I want him to help me with that because we got to wrap that bike up and move on to other stuff. So I kind of got everything crammed in here because I was out of town, but let's empty out this garage so we can get to the Bultaco and see if we can start this bad boy today. That's my main goal, is I want to get this thing started and at least get started on the reassembly, if not get most of the stuff on. We really got to finish this bad boy up. All right, guys, we got the new guy here. This is Damon.
Hello.
Damon, YouTube peoples. So Damon's going to be helping us out big time. He already has. I'm super stoked so far. We got this bad boy running. Get ready. Oh, she wanted to. She wanted to. There we go.
What's happening?
She wants it.
Well,
Hey.
it runs. It's awful fat.
New guy? What? In an hour. He's already got the Bultaco running. I think this is going to work out.
The half throttle thing seems to be better. You know, it didn't like full throttle and it didn't like idle.
Yeah. So now we're just trying to button everything up, and this is where stuff gets tricky. Electrical wise, we got everything kind of out of the way and mocked up, and our goal here is we don't want to be able to see any wires. So we've been test fitting the tank, and right now what Damon's doing is making some rubber spacers because the tank can't sit directly on the frame. So we're gonna try to figure out how high we need it up here. Originally, Damon was saying that there's a piece that goes in here, but because we got this bike in a basket, we're doing typical making stuff work, custom.
A lot of that.
A lot of that. But biggest thing that I'm happy about today is we got the electronic ignition on and the sucker runs. So that's a huge, huge step. And I think with enough creativity in the next couple days, this motorcycular might be done. All right, guys, check it out. We're getting real custom here. We're making a little spacer action for, you want me to, oh, there he goes. Making a spacer action for that gas tank so it sits nice and level and pretty. So, like I said, we're getting custom. We got a rubber stopper we're drilling out to make work.
One size larger.
Yeah, maybe a little bit larger, but the tank spacers seem to work out really well. Tank's sitting on there good, and slowly but surely we're getting her buttoned up. Got the rear fender on. I need to do a little bit of work on the other side of the case and then get this exhaust mounted permanently. I kind of just had it on there just so we could start her up. But the old Bultaco is getting there one step at a time. All right, guys, it was a super hot day. We made major progress on the old Bultaco here, so let me show you what we got done. So I threw the side panel on just because it looks cool and all that good stuff, but ignition is mostly done. I just have to button up the wires a little bit. The big thing, the tank is mounted. All the spacers are made. It's nice and level. I have the top about where I want it, where everything's nice and flush. I think we might take a little bit more material out of that damper just to bring this down a bit. But I need to take the gas tank off again anyways because we're going to line it. But the front fender is mounted and it's straight. And that took a bit of work. But we got her done. So yeah, big progress on the Bultaco. It was really great to hear this thing run today. And we only have, I want to say, a couple more sessions of working on it. And it is going to be a finished motorcycle. So pretty excited about that. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. For the regulars, as always, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think of the Bultaco. We've been working on this thing forever. Tons of setbacks, but you know what? We didn't quit, and we're not going to quit until the thing is done, and I'm happy with it, because that's the way it goes. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow, and try to wrap this bad boy up.